It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the Cordon Bleu Dusit Culinary Art School. I also wish to congratulate each of you to have had the good sense to choose Bangkok Cordon Bleu for your studies. We are recognized for excellence in culinary arts training, wine and management studies, and in this magnificent setting, with a brand new school, you will be able to acquire new knowledge, develop new skills, and prepare for your success in the hospitality industry. We wish you well. Bienvenue to the Cordon Bleu.
Regardless of your background, by graduating from Le Cordon Bleu Dusit, you will become a part of a great traditions of excellence with credentials that will set you apart from competitions in a demanding and changing hospitality and culinary industries.
ตัวลงนะคะเราก็สามารถนำมาตกแต่งหน้า
If you dream of having your own restaurant or become a chef, we can make your dreams come true.
Le Cordon Bleu Dusit offers the most complete and comprehensive training in classic French culinary techniques, available today with many hands-on hours of instruction in state-of-the-art practical kitchens, under the guidance of world-class chefs. The traditional Le Cordon Bleu teaching methodology is based on 3 words: watch, learn and do, where students learn the fundamental skills and techniques in basic level before advancing to intermediate and superior levels.
Le Cordon Bleu Dusit thrive on building a new generations of students to become professional in culinary art with the collaborations across all departments to ensure smooth operations with dedication. We put our heart into what we do, we care, we support and offer the best because your success is our pride.
Le Cordon Bleu Dusit has experienced and acclaimed chefs from around the world to share their knowledge, inspiration and skills with our students and graduates. We carefully select the best quality ingredients for our students to practice within the practical kitchens. We teach our students how to use and store all of their ingredients and most importantly to use every part, minimizing wastage.
At Le Cordon Bleu Dusit, our classrooms and kitchen labs have the best layout and most modern facilities in the region.
We offer a wide variety of classrooms, specializing in hospitality and culinary management to prepare our students to the future.
The upper side will be the color of mainly of the sand, of the rock, in order to protect himself to don't be.
Behind every student's success, there is an unseen amount of hard work, sacrifice, and persistence.
Welcome to our prestigious school.